This is the keto butter chicken recipe. Cooking time, 15 minutes. Melt 1 tablespoon of butter in a pan. Add 1 tablespoon of onions, 5 grams of minced ginger, and 10 grams of minced garlic. Mix ingredients. Add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 2 tablespoons of curry powder. Pour chicken stock, 100 grams of chicken pieces and simmer for 10 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons of heavy cream and simmer until thick. Saute until aromatic. Add fresh cilantro on top and enjoy this delicious recipe. Would you like to know exactly what to eat to lose fat and get healthy without giving up your favorite foods or starving yourself? Click the link in bio to get your custom keto diet plan. Follow us for more keto diet weight loss recipes.